For moments when you can't complete the payment transfer of mutual fund orders, or when your relationship manager places an order on your behalf, you can still complete the payment transfer on your own. Here's how. Upon placing the mutual fund order, you would receive the payment confirmation link on your registered email ID from BSE India with the subject line Mutual Fund Order Payment Confirmation Link. The link would redirect you to the BSE website, from where you can opt for various payment modes. Under Direct Pay, there are 6 registered banks with which you can initiate the payment. Other banks are categorized under Nodal account. With respect to NEFT RTGS payment, kindly contact your relationship manager to avail the NEFT details of BSE. You can choose to pay via UPI if the amount is less than 2 lakh rupees. Do keep in mind to enter the UPI ID linked to the bank account mentioned here. For example, if you select this particular account of ICICI Bank, enter a UPI ID linked to this very account number. Else, the order will be rejected. Click on Submit and approve the payment request on your UPI app.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investment needs.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.